Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel with another news video. So friends, today's news topic is there Nicolas Collins takes over SNL UK photoshoot and sketch and Foo Fighters promos. So let's dive deep into it. So the excitement is building as Saturday Night Live UK gears up for its much anticipated return this weekend, and all eyes are host Nicolas Collins with less than 24 hours to go before the show hits Sky ends now. So fans are getting an inside look at what's been happening behind the screen during the busy hosting week. So freshly released photos from this official SNL UK shoots show Nicolas Collins stepping confidently into the spotlight, giving viewers a glimpse of her transformation into this week's leading star. The behind the scenes footage adds even more excitement, capturing her energy and charm as she's prepared for this one of the Vision's biggest comedy stages. So throughout the week, Collins has been fully immersed the SNL UK experience from midweek sketch to intense table read. She's been settled into this fast-pacing environment that defined the show. So one standout moment came in a midweek sketch where she took a nostalgia walk and through this studio and playfully acting as if she had been there is years despite it only being a few weeks. So her perfect performance left cast members like Annabelle Marlowe and Humped animation humorously confused. So meanwhile, the latest on-stage promo brought ever more buzz, teaming Collins up with legendary rock band Foo Fighters and SNL UK stars Jack Shapes. So this promo cleverly referenced and Glastonbury Festival 2017 with a comedic twist suggesting that both the brand and chef remembered quotes from this event, perhaps a little too well. So but it not just this upcoming episode, this grabbing attentions the previous cold open has also been making waving online for its shift and unexpected humor. What startings as this light-hearted games of Never Had I Ever so quickly took a dramatic turn, blending stare with a real-world controversy. The sketch cleverly referenced the UK government decisions to ban Kanye West from entering this country, tying it into a fictional scenario involving a musical festival's mishap. This escalated even further when a surprise appearance by Melania Trump, supported by Emma Seeds, and shifted the stones of darker comedic severity. So from there, the sketch delved into this political stare, reference figures like Jeffrey Epstein and Ghislaine Maxwell, while poking fun at public statement and media controversials. The skins ended with this classical SNL style punching, blending absurd humor with a beating critics of current events. So with its mix of ages, comedy, celebrity approaches and timely style, and SNL UK continues to prove why it is quickly becoming the standard in the late night televisions, with Nicolas Collins and leading these charges with weekend alongside for Foo Fighters. Expectations are higher than ever. So fans would not have to wait much longer to see it all unfold and live from London. So friend, that was today's news. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to share a friend. So see you the next time. Thank you.